Hey guys, I'm joined here with Jordan from T-Con, tasked with this rather ornate renovation here in Hyde Park. Hyde Park, isn't it?
Middle Park.
Middle Park. And Jordan, if you wouldn't mind just explaining to our viewers the challenges that you faced when deciding on a water storage system for this particular property and why the Tankless system was able to solve those issues for you guys.
Yeah, so the initial problem was we had a design from a civil engineer that was going to see us go down into our water table, that would have seen the tank design just pop out due to the pressures from underneath.
Yeah, I mean, we only are 100 metres from the beach.
Yeah, that's it. So we needed a system that was low-lying and could squash into the depths that we needed, and also dispose of the water from a stormwater point of view, because we are dealing with the basement, and by having the tankless system, we've just got something that dissipates into our sandy soil and back into that water table and sits just at the right level.
Perfect. So what we've actually done is we did do a water storage system, so a tankless, and then the overflow from that tankless goes into a soaker pit as well. So maximise the storage, out of sight, out of mind.